Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first click to start, type services, right click to run as administrator, then press M for Microsoft account sign in assistance service is working or not. Okay, or this is working, Microsoft accountant signing service. So double click. If it is not working, double click automatic and manually it's okay. Then click to start and then apply and then okay, and then select again or Microsoft account sign in, and then left hand side you can see restart options, so just click on it. Okay, this is first and very important method. And then guys, then reset the Microsoft Store cache. So click to start and type run and then open it, and then type this command vsreset.exe and then click to, after that it will start Microsoft. Okay, minimize it. And if guys it is not opening Microsoft, so please close it, then click to start, then go to setting and then click to app, then click to install app, scroll down, find out the Microsoft Store, and otherwise you can type in the search box store. Next, delete, close it, then need to find in this here Microsoft Team, Microsoft Edge. Then if guys it is not getting, so click on system component. After that you can see Microsoft Store and then click on three dot, then click to advanced option, scroll down. After that click on reset first and then repair, and just single click to terminate also. Okay, and then close it, then re-register the Microsoft Store. So click to start, type PowerShell and right click to run as administrator, and then type this command and then hit enter. Okay, and then close it. This is not required for your system, but now you can see it will start it store 100% Microsoft Store. Okay, and then guys, also before restart and then please check it if it is not working. So please restart your system and then please check, then try to open Microsoft. Okay, thank you.